A gaming headset is key component of your battle station, especially if you can't crank up the volume on some of the best PC speakers. There are tons of wireless headsets to choose from, for gaming and for everything else. The sheer number of options can be pretty overwhelming, which is why we're here to help. We've tested dozens of wireless gaming headsets over the years, paying special attention to the specs and features gamers are looking for, and we've come up with the best wireless gaming headsets for every type of gamer. Number 1. SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro. The SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro Wireless is everything you want and need in a gaming headset. And while it's clearly designed around PC gaming, it's got plenty of features that will take you beyond your PC. It features SteelSeries' custom-designed, hi-fi capable 40mm drivers, which have a wireless frequency response of 10 to 22,000 Hz and a wired frequency response of 10 to 40,000 Hz, and has a lightweight, highly adjustable frame that's comfortable for hours on end. The Arctis Nova Pro comes with a wireless base station, which can connect to two audio sources, e.g. PC and a console, via dual USB-C ports. You can use the base station to switch between systems or tweak audio settings. It's basically a fancy, dual-system 2.4 GHz wireless dongle. It also acts as a charging station for the headset's batteries. The headset comes with two batteries, each of which offers 18 to 22 hours of battery life. The batteries are live swappable, giving you essentially unlimited battery life so long as you're near the base station. If you're not near a base station, however, 18 to 22 hours is on the lower side when it comes to current wireless headsets. Most wireless gaming headsets on the market today get 30 to 40 hours, and the top contenders easily double that. Number 2. Corsair Virtuoso RGB. 3toms hardware editors currently use either Corsair's Virtuoso RGB Wireless XT or its 2.4 GHz only Virtuoso RGB Wireless SE as their daily drivers. The Virtuoso RGB Wireless XT has specs similar to the Arctis Nova Pro, including simultaneous 2.4 GHz wireless Bluetooth connectivity, hi-fi capable 50mm drivers, and a comfortable premium build. The Virtuoso RGB Wireless XT retails for $270, but you can pretty consistently find it for around $200. The Virtuoso RGB Wireless XT has 50mm dynamic drivers with a frequency response of 20 to 40,000 Hz, much wider than the average gaming headset, which usually sticks to the human hearing standard of 20 to 20,000 Hz. It has round over-ear ear cups with a light aluminum finish and a padded, leatherette-covered headband that matches the ear pads. It comes with a removable omnidirectional microphone, which isn't quite as convenient as SteelSeries' retractable mic, but still works well enough for those who want to use the headset as a pair of headphones without a visible microphone permanently attached. Number 3. HyperX Cloud 3. The HyperX Cloud 3 Wireless is officially the most comfortable wireless headset we've ever worn. In fact, it's just as comfortable as its wired counterpart, the HyperX Cloud 3. The Cloud 3 Wireless is an over-ear headset with a padded, leatherette-covered headband and soft, leatherette-covered ear pads. It weighs 11.64 ounces, 330 grams, which is close to what the Arctis Nova Pro weighs. The Cloud 3 Wireless has the same 53mm dynamic drivers as the Cloud 2 Wireless, but they've been redesigned and angled for a better audio experience. The drivers have a frequency response of 10-21,000 Hz, which is a little wider than the average gaming headset, but not as wide as the Arctis Nova Pro or the Virtuoso RGB Wireless XT. It comes with a detachable 10mm boom microphone, which has an internal pop filter and a red mute indicator light. Number 4. Razer Blackshark V2 Pro. While we always recommend a standalone gaming microphone for sounding your best, Razer's most recent Blackshark V2 Pro 2023 headset has the best sounding mic we've heard on a gaming headset. The Blackshark V2 Pro 2023 is the 2023 update to the Blackshark V2 Pro, and it has roughly the same design and drivers. 50mm dynamic drivers with a frequency response range of 12 to 28,000 Hz as the original. Audio sounds good with Razer's EQ adjusted, if a little mid-range heavy. The headset's stainless steel sliders have been reinforced, and its battery has been upgraded to offer an impressive 70-plus hours. The Blackshark V2 Pro 2023 also has a new detachable boom mic, a 9.9mm condenser mic with a sampling rate of 32 kHz and an internal pop filter, plus an optional external pop filter. Number 5. Razer Barracuda Pro. The Razer Barracuda Pro Wireless looks more like a lifestyle headset from Sony or Bose than it does a gaming peripheral from Razer. Featuring a surprisingly understated, for Razer, all-black design, built-in beamforming mics, and a sturdy travel case, the Barracuda Pro Wireless is a good option for anyone who wants a headset that can pull double duty. The Barracuda Pro Wireless is comfortable and lightweight with a minimal all-plastic design. It has Razer's custom 50mm dynamic drivers, which have a frequency response range of 20 to 20,000 Hz, and a pair of integrated beamforming noise-canceling mics in the ear cups.